Hello friends, hopefully you are fine today. I got a new money website where you can mine USDT very easily and freely. Get free USDT.win is available for all of you to get free USDT from here. I am also going to show you that free withdraw proof from this website about today and right now in front of you. Now scroll down, you can see here join the new wave USDT cloud mining platform is available. Invite friends and win commissions from here as early as possible. Now you can see a total user 933 and 4 USDT already made deposit here and online days and total USDT earned from this website. You can check each and everything. Here you can see one day ago latest withdrawal from here, how much people get benefit from this website. Now latest deposit, how much people make deposit in this website. Now the most important question is that how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. You have to click on join now option or click on start mining now option to create your account to enhance your earning in this website. Now click on join now option and here you need to enter your first pay email address and click on start mining now. Your money will start here automatically without any deposit, without any hesitation. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this mining platform. Stay with us, stay tuned. Now once you reach there, then this type of interface will come in front of you. You can see here my mining already started in this website. Now total earning I will get from here without deposit about only 25,000 Satoshi from this website. Now if you stay on this video, at the end of video I will show you that another Tron TRX mining website live withdraw proof without deposit. You can also get free TRX from that website. I will tell you at the end of this video. Now scroll down, I am going to show you that about this website. Now on daily basis and after 1 week, after 1 month and 3 months, you can check how much USDT you will get from here. Now we have number of tools to enhance our earning, to increase our mining speed. First of all, we have bounty program. Make a YouTube video from this website and you will get up to 10,000 mAh hash rate power plus 30 USDT from this website. We will send reward after 7 days to make ticket to claim from here. You have to click over here, make ticket to claim here, and here you need to select your claim bounty, then subject about YouTube video, and here you need to enter your URL and message about this mining platform to be able to take withdraw from here or to be able to take free bounty program. And you can also join the Telegram channel to enhance your earning speed in this website and ask a random question about this website. Now if you can't do these things, now you can see here we have withdraw option and we have deposit option. You can also make deposit to enhance your earning. Click on deposit option and here you can see, if you click over here, then you have to deposit here only 1.5 USDT to get 1500 mAh hash rate power from a click on buy now option like this. It will bring you into your first pay account. Like here you have to click proceed to payment. You can deposit through this website, through this cryptocurrency very easily and authentically. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now come to the website and scroll down. Here we have calculator. Now if you have 500 mAh hash rate power, then how much USDT amount you will get from here. You can see here you will get about 0.0375 USDT per day from this website, and in 1 week, in 1 month, 3 months and in 1 year, how much benefit you will get from here, each and everything in front of you. Now come to the another tool, that is referral tool. Here you need to copy your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If other person join this website and deposit here, you will receive 11% of the deposit amount from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now come to another website, that is Tron TRX mining website, to claim free TRX in front of you and show you that withdraw proof without deposit. Now welcome another Tron TRX mining website. Here you can see that I have 0.000537 TRX in my account and 1 mAh hash rate power you will get as a sign bonus. Now click on withdraw option to take withdraw from here. Enter your required amount over here to be able to take withdraw. click on it and it will comes here, and click on confirm request now, and you can see that it will paid us immediately without any hesitation, without any obstacle. Here you can see that status paid. Now come to my first step account and I am going to refresh it to show you that withdraw proof of this website. Click on overview now, and here you can see I got withdraw right now in front of you. Each and everything is in front of you. Now hopefully you like it, you love it. If you want to get this type of more videos, you just need to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Now here we have another website, that is recently website. Click on withdraw option. Here we need to enter our required amount to take a withdraw. Click on confirm request now, and you can see that it will also pay us immediately without deposit. Now come to the first pay account and refresh it to show you that withdraw proof of this USDT mining platform, earning platform. Now scroll down, here you can see I got withdraw of these two websites without deposit, without any obstacle. Hopefully you like it, you love it.